Hello, everyone. This is Journey. I would love to welcome you to the No Fix Studio YouTube channel. This channel was created to document the journey of going from a home based nail room into an intimate boutique. If you want to go along for the ride, please subscribe and turn on the notifications for daily, weekly, and monthly updates. For the first 30 days of 2022, I will be posting videos 4 times a week. These videos will give you a glance into how my home based nail room will be set up. After this, we will go on the journey of finding a location and breaking ground. Please stay tuned and remember, if you dream it, then plan it so you can jump into action.